exercise is called sock meditation. We have 3 levels, one from sitting, one from standing, and one from standing in exposure. So what we're going to do is find a comfortable seated position, and then I'm going to take the leg that's free, take my thumb, break it down the side of the leg and the ankle, make sure you get around the heel, and then I'm going to pull the sock off, trying to keep it from going inside out because it's easier to get back on. You set that to the side, switch feet, and do the same thing on the other side, breaking your thumb down, around the heel, pulling it up to close to the toes, and I use a little assist to pull it off the toes here. Alright, that's the beginning of that level. Next we're going to get the socks on. For doing that, I found the best way, rolling the sock up in your hand, putting energy with the foot that's on the line into the heel so that you can raise the toes up. And then you can slide the sock on as far down the foot and close to the heel as possible. Then press the toes into the line, get it around the heel, pull it up. Switch legs, do the other side. So this is level 1. Do it 1 time, get comfortable with it. Then you can work your way up to doing it 3 times in a row, 5 times in a row, whatever you like. Play with it, have fun. Alright, level 1 complete. On to level 2. Level 2 is from standing. Find balance on one leg. It could be the same process, taking the thumb down from the inside of the sock, down the leg. You're going to get around the heel and then pull it up from the toes. Sometimes this movement can go fast, really just helping by focusing on something. Again, I'm trying not to get the sock turned inside out because then I got to spend all that time to get it turned the right way. So set it to the side, switch feet, same thing. Rake the thumb down the leg, get it around the heel. This outside technique isn't working. You can also bring it in for the other hand, but that doesn't work as good for me. But you can try it out, see if it works for you. Okay, now we gotta get them back on. Trying to do that. The easiest technique is rolling the sock up as much as possible. I'm gonna have a slight bend in the standing leg, tightening the core. And this goal is to widen the sock as much as possible and get those toes in. That's step 1 of this part. It's tricky. You get the toes in, you let go, kind of catch your balance for a second. From there, you can use one hand now to work it around the heel and pull it up. Boom. Switch feet. This is where it gets a little tricky too because it gets a little more slippery with the sock on the line. So be careful. Draw the sock down. Trying to get a wide opening for your toes. Slight bend in the standing leg. And it's kind of a fast movement. Once you get it there, you can readjust, calm down, use one hand to guide it up the rest of the way. Again, this is my outside technique. Some of you might be more comfortable using the inside opposite hand technique. Play around with it, see what you like. Okay, level 2 is complete. On to level 3. Trying all of this, taking this off and on from exposure. I'm going to come into the top portion of my foot here. So I got a lot of heel hanging over. I'm going to put all the weight into one leg. Take my thumb, rake it down, get it over the heel, pull it off. Put it to the side. Same thing. Boom, they're off. This one I got inside out, it's okay. Boom, put it right back. For this, so I don't drop my sock, because there's a lot more movement, I can tuck it into my shorts. Everything we just did in reverse, so still putting a lot of weight, slight bend in the leg, rolling the sock up, getting a nice wide. I'm also thinking about squeezing the legs together a little bit and tightening the core as I bring the foot up. Just have to get the toes in to start. Readjust if you have to let go, that's fine. You can use one hand now to work it up. Remove the sock from the shorts and we're going to work the other side. Again, slippery, sock on line, so a little more focus on this other side. Whole time I'm looking at the ground to help me balance, drawing everything in towards the center. Also notice I'm bending over quite a bit. I'm trying to bring my upper half lower so I don't have to lift my foot quite as high. Again, make your adjustments, find your balance, use the one hand to pull it up from the back. Or again, you can do the in front crossbody technique. See which one I want to go for here. Trying to really get it to the toes. That's the hardest part. I missed on this one. I didn't get my toes all the way in. All right, see if I can pull it out the rest of the way. There you go, close enough. I hope you like that one. Again, with each level, work your way up from doing it once to twice to 3 times. Send us your videos, you know we want to see it. Peace.